Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to change location on Roblox account. So for this you're gonna have to use the desktop version of Roblox. So you can't do this on your mobile phone because they've removed this feature from the mobile app. Now, when you open any browser or the app on your desktop, what you have to do is simply click on the settings button here. And then what you have to do next is simply scroll down. So you have to wait until all of this loads up. And then you have to simply go to account location, as you can see right here. And then what you have to do next is simply click on the location, and then you can simply choose to any location available. And then basically, as you can see, you can change location only once. Your location determines what is allowed on your account, including the currency used for gift cards and purchases. If you're not sure why you need to make this change, do not continue. So make sure to understand that this is only possible once. So once you change your location, you can't reverse this. So you have to simply click on set location, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, contact Roblox support to change your account location. So now if I want to change back to my original location, I'll have to simply contact Roblox, and maybe they will help me to change back if I really need to do that. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.